Okay, in this next question, is question number 13. We have a square which is 4 centimeters by 4 centimeters, and we have cut out from each corner, this is a quarter of a circle. We have to work out the area of the shaded part. So the most important thing we need to identify here is that each one of these parts is a quarter of a circle. So that's quarter of a circle, that's quarter of a circle, that's quarter, and that's quarter. Now, what happens if we join 4 quarters together?
It equals a whole.
Equals a whole. So in a sense, if you think about it, if you label this as A, okay, then there's our A. This is our B, so this will be our B, and this is our C, and this one will be our D. So these 4 corners, because they are exactly 1/4 of a circle, when you put them together, it gives you one circle. So what we need to identify in this particular question is, what is the radius? Well, the radius is this length here, isn't it?
Mm.
That is the radius. We know that the full length here is 4 centimeters, so the radius will be equal to 2, which is half.
You divide it, and then that's
Yeah.
one side, that's the other.
Good. So we have the area of the shaded area will be equal to the area of the square minus the area of one circle, these 4 components joined together. So that's the first thinking part. So now the area of a square is going to be length times by width, and the area of the circle is going to be again pi r squared. So we got those two. Now let's put the measurements in. So because it's a square, it's going to be 4 by 4.
Yeah.
At the moment we'll use the pi button on the calculator, and the radius we've established it, we've worked out was 2, so times by 2 squared. So what we need to do now, we need to get the calculator, switch it on, and put this calculation in as we see it there. So 4 times by 4, take away, shift pi from that button there, time by 2 squared, and then press equal, and that gives us a value of 3.433629, and so on. So what we say here is that the area is going to be 3.4, because if you do to one decimal place, let's go through the method. So here's our last digit, and here's our decider. It's the first decimal place. This number here is less than 5, is a 3, so you leave it alone. Just copy everything down. So 3.4 centimeters squared is the area of the shaded part. Okay, right, now I'm going to get the student to practice some of these questions, and then we'll move on to the next type of question in a second. So please join us in the next video, please. Thank you.